A wonderful morning to all of you.
Great morning, Ruhani.
Well, my name is Ruhani. I study 7th Advanced Foundation section in Sunrise Foundation School. Today, I am here to give a speech on very wonderful topic, motorcycle. So let's start. Now take a look at a water in your water bottle or the clouds drifting in the sky. Do you know that the water drank today is the same amount of water that dinosaur drank millions of years ago? Today I will take you through the never-ending process known as the hydrology process, and in simple way it is also known as the water cycle. So let's start. Our journey begins with the sun. The sun is the entire engine of the cycle. The sun heats up the ocean, lakes and rivers water, and that converts into the gaseous form, and that gaseous form is known as the water vapor, and that process is known as evaporation. Only the water does not come from the ocean, lakes and rivers. Plants also play a huge role in it. Plants sweat through the tiny pores known as stomata, and that process is known as transpiration. Second process is condensation. Now imagine you breathe in a cold wind, and that fog is converted into small water droplets. Same in the sky, that process is known as condensation. That water vapor converts into small droplets. Now that billions of that small droplets are waiting for their next step. Now third process is precipitation. Now these clouds are very heavy and dense, and the gravity take over, and that water comes back to the earth in the form of rain, snow and hail, and that depends on the temperature in which form it will come. Some of the water filling the ocean, lakes and rivers, and some of the water is soaked by the ground. That water soaked by the ground is that process known as infiltration. That feeds our wells, tube wells and also moist the soil for the future use and for the forest. And just like this, the cycle is again ready to move all over the world. This process is never-ending process. It always done again and again. I hope you would like my speech. Thank you and have a nice day.